Hi, welcome back. This video I will show you how to edit gray vibe filter in Lightroom Mobile. Here is example photos before and after using this filter. So, let's start editing. First go to the light. Contrast 15. Highlights -30. Shadows -30. Whites -40. And blacks -40. Go to curve. Follow this step. And done. Next go to color. Temp 4. Tint -4. Vibrance -10. And saturation -14. Go to color mix. First go to red color, hue 30. And saturation 10. Next go to orange. Hue -10. Saturation -10. And luminance 14. Next go to yellow, hue -25. And saturation -40. Next go to green, hue -50. And saturation -100. Next go to aqua, hue 100. And saturation -50. Next go to blue, hue -50. Saturation -80. And luminance 10. And done. Next go to effect. Clarity 10. Dehaze 11. And vignette -19. Next go to detail, sharpening 20. And noise reduction 24. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photos. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in next video.